Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. If you are looking for a house that combines modern design and tropical style, while being surrounded by nature and enjoying amazing views of the sea, you might be interested in this architectural project, named Black Pearl House in Casa Gaia. This house is a masterpiece of QBO3 Arquitectos, a design team that specializes in creating spaces that integrate seamlessly with the surrounding context. In this article, we will explore the main features and inspirations of this cozy, functional, and aesthetically captivating residence. Interprets the tropical lifestyle. The design team focused on highlighting the purity of form through the use of rationalist features, such as right angles and precise decompositions, creating visuals that integrate with the natural environment's highlights. The goal was to reinterpret the tropical lifestyle of the area, using streamlined and contemporary lines that blend the interior spaces with the landscape. The result is a space that reflects the simplicity and elegance of modern architecture, while respecting the essence and beauty of the tropical environment. Architecture and nature. The house is located in the town of Cerro de San Juan in Guanacaste, Costa Rica, a place that is known for its lush vegetation and breathtaking views of the sea. The house is surrounded by nature, and captures the unique qualities of the area. The house also uses local materials, such as wood, stone, and concrete, to achieve harmonious integration between architecture and nature, without altering the natural aesthetics of the environment. The selection of these materials allowed for the seamless integration of nature and architecture in the environment without distortions. The house also preserves the natural colors and textures of the environment, creating a contrast and balance with the modern features of the house. Maximizes the sea views. The house also maximizes the sea views from each of its spaces, creating a sense of openness and connection with the horizon. Upon entering the house, one can feel the connection with its natural surroundings, as the house is organized around a central path that aligns with the horizon within its spatial structure. The access to the house is facilitated by a natural stone path that underlines the permeability of nature and its fusion with the building, achieving a harmonious and complementary relationship between architecture and nature. The house fosters the well-being. The house is designed to foster the well-being and connection of its inhabitants with the natural environment, which is essential for their health and happiness. The house features a terrace, with a double height, that is a space where residents can enjoy an unparalleled view of the sea and the surrounding natural environment. The terrace is designed to be a place where residents can relax and enjoy the connection with nature, promoting their physical and mental well-being. Its structure is intended to seamlessly integrate with the natural environment, creating a sense of spaciousness and freshness. The architectural details of the terrace, such as the pool, the lounge area, and the lighting, add to the pleasant experience of relaxation and connection with nature. Solid walls and wide openings. The house also combines solid walls and wide horizontal and vertical openings to create a unique character, and to allow natural light and ventilation to enter the house. The house also uses innovative techniques and materials, such as microcement, metal, and glass, to bring a modern and tropical feel to the structure. The careful application of these techniques and materials results in a harmonious fusion of materials and textures, that reflect the elegance and coziness of the house. Connects the interior and the exterior. One of the main inspirations of the design team was the connection of the interior and the exterior, which they achieved by using large windows and sliding doors that allow natural light and ventilation to enter the house. They also used the organic exterior, such as the curves of the hills and the waves of the ocean, to implement them in the project and generate curves that soften the interior of the house. The result is a fluid and dynamic space that invites the inhabitants to enjoy the beauty of nature from every angle. Uses wood to provide warmth. Another important aspect of the design is the use of wood and other materials to provide warmth and protection to the house. Wood is the protagonist of the project, as it creates a contrast with the exposed concrete and steel, and adds a touch of elegance and coziness to the house. The design team also used various natural stone claddings, such as marble and granite, to enhance the texture and color of the walls and floors. The combination of these materials creates a perfect fusion of contemporary architecture and tropical elements, reflecting the unique character of the house. House optimizes the views. The house also takes advantage of the spectacular views of the ocean and the vegetation, which are visible from every corner of the house. The house is organized around a central path that aligns with the horizon within its spatial structure, creating a sense of orientation and harmony. The internal spaces also follow this direction, creating spacious and orderly distributions. The location of the house is chosen in harmony with the topography, preserving the natural vegetation of the site. Access to the house is facilitated by a staircase that respects the existing elevation changes and formally connects the design axes with the topographical configuration. Promotes climatic well-being. The house also promotes climatic well-being and connection with nature, which are essential for the health and happiness of the inhabitants. The house features a social area, with an impressive double height and visually emphasized by the vertical circulation, that offers residents the opportunity to maximize sensitivity to a naturally designed, spacious, and well-ventilated space. The house also features a terrace, with a pool and a lounge area, that enhances the delightful experience of relaxation and connection with nature. The house also features carefully applied elegant techniques involving the harmonious use of metal and glass, giving it an undoubtedly captivating modern and tropical essence. Black Pearl House is a contemporary tropical oasis that exceptionally combines modern architecture and nature. From its location to its architectural design and material selection, everything was focused on achieving sustainable integration with the natural environment and promoting the well-being of its inhabitants. It is an outstanding example of how architecture can harmoniously and respectfully blend with nature. Casa Gaia is an architectural endeavor that embodies an exceptional intermingling of cutting-edge architecture and the convergence of nature. Every aspect, from location selection to meticulous architectural design and the thoughtful material selection, has been guided by the primary focus of achieving sustainable integration with the natural environment and promoting the well-being of its inhabitants. Casa Gaia is a prominent emblem within the design team that exemplifies how architecture can flawlessly converge in genuine harmony and respect for the embracing natural environment. Well, thanks for joining us today on Breaking Sign. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting architecture insights. Until next time, keep creative idea running.